Hello there, and welcome to today's tour of our new listing at 308 Country Estates Drive in Rainier, Washington. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,776 square foot home that sits on 0.5 acres. Really nice sized lot. Now this is a full 2-story house with a full 2-car garage. And we've been fully renovated here all the way down to the studs. This house is ready for its new owner. Now, we're close to schools, parks, and literally only a minute away from town square. But here's the best part. If you're active duty military, we're only 33 minutes away from the main gate of Joint Base Lewis McChord. So, what do you say? Let's go check it out. Right off the bat, I just want to say I love how quiet and open this neighborhood is. The entire time I spent here was very peaceful and serene. And this oversized deck would be great for a swing or even some chairs to appreciate morning sunrises with a nice cup of coffee. Moving inside, you'll find the house has a racetrack floor plan on the main level, allowing total access to all parts of the house without hitting any walls. To the left of the front door, we have the garage, a closet, the laundry room, and a half bath. Just to the right, we have the living room and a dining room, which will lead us straight into the kitchen and back around to the family room. This kitchen has new countertops and cabinets and is ready for any appliances you'd like to complete this room. Let's go check out the upstairs. Here, we've got our 3 bedrooms, which includes the primary with its own ensuite bathroom. We also have the main bathroom and hall closet. Up here, you'll find all new flooring, fixtures, and trim throughout the house. Let's go check out the backyard and the garage before we wrap this tour up. Thank you for joining us on today's tour of this home in Rainier. We hope you think this might be a fit for you. And if it is, please reach out to your agent to schedule a tour, or you can reach out to us with any direct questions you have. On behalf of the entire team here at Operation Red Dot, we want to wish you happy house hunting. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.